Boy, I can't wait for the sun when them sundresses gon' come on out. Living all the way in the west, but the Georgia peach made me feel down south. See you in the streets, believe I'ma go ahead and reach on out. Cause I done peeped you on the gram, goddamn, you just made another fan, yeah. Used to curving plenty niggas, if I walk up on you, baby, I ain't nervous.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose Davia, and today we gonna get into all of this. Okay, so this look was definitely inspired by CityGirlCurlz. I think that's what it is. I'll definitely have that in the video, but it was inspired by one of their wigs that I actually saw African Beauty wearing, and I really wanted to support, but your girl on quarantine has not had no kind of work, so I wasn't able to afford it. So I decided to make my own kind of dupe. But after making and putting it on, I'm getting Jalen Mitchell vibes. So I'm gonna insert pictures of everybody, all these businesses, because you know it's just support black girls, black men, black business. We blackity black. We blacking it up, okay? We blacking it up. But I just wanted to show you guys how I made this crochet wig, that part crochet wig, and I believe it cost me somewhere around maybe $35 to make this look, which I don't have to tell y'all. Y'all know it's bomb. Y'all know it's bomb. Like, and if it's not bomb to you, then you're obviously sipping on some haterade, because just look at me. Like, y'all, come on now. The baddest to ever do it. Now let me stop. But if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, definitely just stay tuned, and let's hop right into this. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with my foam mannequin head and this weaving cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. Now, let's be real, this mannequin head is pretty small for my big old head, so I'm going to go ahead and put a t-shirt over it to kind of make it a little bit bigger, so when I put the cap on, the weaving cap on, that it will be a little bit like stretched out and be closer to my head shape. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on that weaving cap, and there's like a little stitching that shows you that that's the inside of the cap. So I was just trying to show you guys that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the spandex cap on and just make sure that it's stretched out a little bit. So I'm going in with this Rastafari, I don't know how to say it, the Tahiti curl, and the base color that I used was a color 4, but you'll also see later on that I have like this hair that pretty much has like some highlights in it, but I forgot the actual color, so sorry about that. But then I'm using my crochet hook, and that's what I'll be using to apply the hair to this weaving cap. This is after I already started, obviously. So I just want to show you that I'm going under one of those like threads with the hook closed before I open it. And then that's when I will attach the hair. I used 2 pieces every time to give it a more full look. And then I closed that hook and then pulled that hair through before taking only 1/2 of the hair. You'll see I split that in 2, and then I only pull one side through, and that's more like the knotless method, I guess, for crocheting, but I find that it ties a better knot and I don't get as many pieces that start to kind of loosen up. So that's just the method that I used throughout the entire process. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick 360 before I go ahead and close out this video. This is before I trimmed and shaped her to my face. All right, y'all, and that's all I got for you. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you know it inspired y'all to save a little coin, because what are we always doing? We're saving what? What was that? Exactly, we're always saving coins on this platform. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.